Hey, welcome to my channel, Soil and Margaritas. My name is Roxana and I am the person behind all of the videos that you see in this channel. If you're new here, hey, consider subscribing. The videos that I make are mostly about flowers, perennials, annuals, shrubs, a couple of trees, and a huge new vegetable garden that we started this year. That's basically it. I share with you the things that I do around my garden, the love that I have for plants and other things around the garden. So I would like to share that with you. Consider subscribing down there. So today's video is a little bit different than normal. I started using a new camera. I'm testing it to see if I like it. I'm actually recording with it right now. And the audio is kind of not as what I'm used to. I got a new redbud tree and a few other plants that I want to show you. But yesterday I got the tree on the ground. I have to move a couple of shrubs. I have a butterfly bush that I needed to move underneath a window. I needed to be centered underneath it. And I also got a Korean spice by Burnham that my mom is getting for her garden. They just moved to a new place, so they welcome all of the plants that they can get. So I'm going to show you what I did yesterday with that. And also, oh gosh, I have to clean a bird bath. I have to weed the path because the Irish moss is dying a little bit. I noticed that yesterday that the intense heat that we have had here in Indiana, it's definitely taken a toll on the Irish moss. And I have been watering constantly, like almost every day I'm there giving it some water, but it's probably not gonna make it. Probably half of my Irish moss is going to go, but that's okay. You know, it happens. Some years are better than others for some plants. So I'm going to show you how I did that. And then I have a couple of cornflowers and boxwoods that I'm also deciding where I'm going to put them. I have a couple of ideas, but that's what I have for you today. So hopefully you enjoy this video. So right now, this butterfly bush that I have here needs to go right over here where I am standing. So it needs to move about 3 or 4 feet. So what I'm going to do, I am going to try not to disturb it as much. So I'm going to make like a big hole first, and I'm going to dig it up, move it, and then completely cover it. I'm going to try to go wide around the roots so that I am not disturbing. So hot, guys. So that I am not disturbing the roots as much. So wish me luck. supposed to have some rain with storms tonight, so I'm going to try to secure the tree, I don't know, in the best way that I can do with what I have. I know that I'm not supposed to use anything that it could hurt the tree, but this is what I have right now. So in the next few days I'm gonna get better things that are made for this. So